Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Do you love the outdoors, hiking, camping, or just exploring nature? Today, we'll learn how to talk about trips and vacations in English, from hiking for the first time to dealing with a hiking injury, borrowing camping gear, and planning a fun family camping trip. You'll hear 4 short conversations that teach useful English phrases for travel, friendship, and family adventures. Let's get started. Hiking for beginners. Hey, Sue. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Sandy. I'm going hiking with some friends. Do you want to join?
No, that's okay. I've never gone hiking before.
Really? It's a lot of fun and great exercise.
It sounds fun and good for you.
It is. You should come.
I don't even have the correct shoes.
I have an extra pair. What size do you wear?
I wear a size 7.
What a coincidence. Me too.
What else do I need?
Comfortable clothes, a jacket, a water bottle, snacks, a flashlight, and a map.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff to bring.
Do you have a small backpack to put these items in?
Yeah?
Well then, you're ready to go.
How long are you going to be hiking?
We usually hike about 10 miles, but this weekend we're going to hike a much shorter distance.
Why?
My friend is bringing her sister. She has never gone hiking before either, so it'll be a fun experience for both of you.
That was a great conversation about hiking for beginners. Here are some useful expressions you can use. Do you want to join? What else do I need? You're ready to go. You can use these phrases when making outdoor plans or preparing for an activity. Hiking injury.
Hey, Joe, what happened to your ankle?
Hey, Kevin. I broke it while hiking last weekend.
That's terrible. How?
We were hiking down a steep trail. I lost my balance and fell.
Ouch.
Yeah, it hurt badly.
How did you get back to your car?
It was a long, painful walk.
Were you alone?
No, I was with my wife, but I'm too heavy for her to carry me.
Why didn't you call someone?
There was no cell phone coverage in that area.
How long do you have to wear your cast?
6 weeks.
6 weeks? Are you going to miss the marathon next month?
Yeah, looks like I am. I'm so disappointed. I've been training for that for a year. Why don't you go in my place?
No, thanks. Do you know what I hate more than hiking?
What?
Marathons.
Oh no, poor Joe. From this dialogue, we learned how to talk about accidents and injuries. Useful phrases include, "What happened to your ankle?" "I lost my balance and fell." "There was no cell phone coverage." These are great for learning real-life English conversations about unexpected situations. Borrowing things from a friend.
Hello? Mike, this is Dan. Do you have a lantern I can borrow? I think so. I have to check. Our lantern is broken. What do you need a lantern for? We're going camping this weekend. We went camping last month. How was the weather last month? It was great, sunny all weekend. I think it's going to rain this weekend. That's not good. Why are you going camping if it's going to rain? The kids still want to go. I'm sure you'll still have fun. I hope so. We're going to pack some extra clothes. Let me check on that lantern. Mike? What's wrong, Dan? Do you have a tent I can borrow? Sure. Why? I just discovered a hole in our tent.
That was such a funny and friendly chat. We learned how to borrow things and talk about weekend plans. Useful phrases include, "Do you have a lantern I can borrow?" "Let me check." "We're going camping this weekend." You can use these expressions whenever you need to ask friends for help or make outdoor plans. Family camping.
What should we do this weekend?
I don't know. What would you like to do?
Should we take the kids camping?
That sounds like a fun plan.
Do you know what the weather forecast is for this weekend?
No, I have to check.
I think it's supposed to be sunny and clear.
That's perfect weather for camping.
We can go fishing too.
The kids are going to love it.
Let's not tell them yet.
Why?
I need to make a reservation. There may not be space available.
Oh, yeah. We better think of another option just in case.
Yeah. How about going to the beach?
That would be fun too.
Let me try to make a reservation for camping first.
Okay, here's the number.
That was such a warm and cheerful conversation. Here, we learned how to make family plans and talk about the weather. Should we take the kids camping? That sounds like a fun plan. Let me try to make a reservation. These are perfect for practicing everyday family conversations about weekend trips. So today, we learned how to talk about hiking, camping, and outdoor adventures in English. We learned new ways to make plans with friends, borrow things politely, talk about accidents, and plan family activities. Remember, spending time in nature is not only good for your health, but also a great way to practice English in real life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time for another easy and fun English conversation.